Do you want to know about secret affiliate marketing hacks? Then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so and hit that notification bell. That way you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Now, in this video, I am going to talk to you about secret affiliate marketing hacks, Zach Crawford's course. I am a student of Zach's, and I recently made a general review of his course, just basically telling you what it does, who it's for, who it's not for. It was a very general review. And in that review, I promised you that I would give you a bit more detail about certain aspects of this course. So in this video, I'm actually going to show you my back office and just give you a bit of an idea of what it is that you get when you sign up and you get the course. Of course, I can't show you the actual training. This is obviously only available to people who have bought the course, but I can show you my back office and give you a general idea of what the course looks like. If you don't have the patience to watch my video and you want to actually go and check out Zach's style straight away, there is a link in the description of this video. It's official Sophie Bide. You can just click on that link and then you'll hear Zach talking, give you some very valuable free training. It will be great anyway. But if you can bear to listen to me for another 10 minutes, then come with me. I'm going to show you my back office.
So here is what it looks like. If you've never bought an online course before, an online education course before, basically what happens is when you buy the course, you get access to a membership site, which is basically a website which only you and people who have login details have access to. Okay, so you will be given a username, you create a password, and you have to log in to access your course. There is nothing physical. You're not going to receive a book or anything like that, a CD or anything. You basically have an online access. And there you go. This is secret affiliate marketing hacks. This is what it looks like. Okay. Basically, you have here an absolutely huge amount of content. I'm just going to show you this first like this. Okay. You have, it goes a long way. Okay. You have chapter 1, which is mostly, it's mindset, really mostly. Chapter 2, how to make money online. So then this is much more practical, how to choose your niche, different profit channels, how to pick products. Then chapter 3 is more technical. It's more about sales funnel, grid pages, stuff like that. Then chapter 4 is all about traffic. It's incredible. I'll show you in a bit more detail. Then it goes on to how to scale your business when you start getting success, how to scale it up and increase your income. There's coaching sessions, and here there are all the resources, all the done for you resources that you get when you buy Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks. You get done for you social media posts, done for you email swipes, and this is another funnel. This tells you all about how to promote secret affiliate marketing hacks and how you can make money from that. Now, that is only, I want to add, if you want to promote it. This, as you can see, this is right at the end. Okay, this is the last thing that Zach has in his course. All the rest is absolutely applicable to anything that you want to promote in affiliate marketing. Zach is absolutely not about teaching you to promote his course. Okay, he does show you how to promote this course if you want to, but it's not at all one of these courses that only teaches you to promote the course. Quite the contrary, what Zach wants us above all is to succeed in whatever we are promoting. So his philosophy is to teach us to learn how to promote one thing, get really good at promoting this thing, and then basically we can apply these principles to whatever we want to promote, and then we can scale up. So however you are wanting to make your money online in affiliate marketing, you can, this applies. Okay, this applies if you are wanting to sell Zach's course, but it applies absolutely equally if you may be in the sports industry and or the fitness sort of niche, and you want to promote, you want to create content all around sport and fitness, and you want to promote products that are going to help people, I don't know, grow more muscles and whatever. I don't really know much about that, let's say, but that would apply. You could take all these lessons and apply that. It's totally useful, whatever you are promoting, whether you're promoting health products, make money online products, relationships products, whatever. It's got to be in affiliate marketing, obviously, but as long as it's affiliate marketing, it's really, really going to help you. Whenever you click on a chapter, you get all the lessons. Okay, and you see, I mean, it's just incredible. So all these, there's just a ton. Look, I mean, section 1 has only got one video, but section 2 has got just a ton of video. This is chapter 1 is all about mindset. Section 3. So this is all the sections you get in one chapter, just to give you an idea. Okay. Chapter 2, if you go on, it's the same. Okay. There's also section 1 with a ton of videos. Well, many videos. Section 2, section 3, section 4, look at that, and so on. It's the same, every time. I'll just show you so you get, look at that, there's 20 lessons. This takes a long time to go through the training, I can tell you that. All these, it's just like super just full of resources. That's just chapter 3. Chapter 4 is also really, really massive. And each video is pretty in depth. Okay, it's pretty in depth. It's long. Again, I don't feel I can actually obviously show you the content of the videos, but I would like to show you, how, is there a way to see how, how long they are? I'll show you. I mean, it's just incredible. This, for instance, I haven't got to that at all. I haven't watched any of this yet because it's just so full of resources. And then again, these are all the swipes. You see, for instance, if you click on here, let's just say, this gives you, here you click and you get email swipes. I believe the social media posts is exactly the same thing. And how to promote that, shows you exactly how to promote it, how to set up the funnel. It gives you all the tools. There you go. That's all. The videos are really very complete. You have a ton of resources to download. It's really, really very complete. So, what else can I show you? I mean, what I do want to say is that the resources, no, that's not what I wanted to show. the swipes here, the resources are constantly updated. Okay, Zach is incredibly generous with what he shares. He's constantly updating. He's constantly adding fresh email swipes, fresh social media posts. He's also I can't show you the inside of the Facebook group, but once you buy his course, you have access to a private Facebook group where he's very, very active. Every single week he gives training, he answers questions. The training is always at least an hour long. Usually it's more like 2, even sometimes 3 hours long. The training is then kept in the group. You can access the replays whenever. It's amazing. And yeah, I already said Zach's very, very present. But this is basically what you get, inside Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks when you buy the course. It's just really a very complete course on how to build a successful a business in affiliate marketing. And believe me, if you follow Zach and you follow the training, you focus on what Zach is teaching and you follow the training, you use the resources he shares and everything, you will make a success of this. You have to take action, obviously. That's just like with anything. But it's the most generous course that I have come across so far. It's really pretty amazing. There really is so much there. It's really brilliant. If you want to check the course, there is a link in the description below this video, officialsophiebyte.com. You can just click there. You'll get a series of videos of free training from Zach himself. You get to feel, what he's like, and that gives you a good idea of what you're going to get once you're inside the course. And if you do click on my link and you end up buying the course from me, you will get some cool bonuses from me. You'll get information in my emails as to what these bonuses are. And, if you want to know more, you can always email me. I'll be very happy to answer questions and to let you know a bit how it works, how you can work with me as well as with Zach if you are interested. But really what I wanted to do here is give you an idea of what the back office looks like and what you get if you buy Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks. I hope this helps.
So I hope you enjoyed this little tour of my back office. As you can see, it's a very thorough course. It's very full. There's a lot of material. It really is quite intense. If you want a more general review of Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks, just click the link to my video review of the course. If you have any questions about the course, about Zach, about the bonuses that you get when you sign up to the course through my link, or generally about how to make money online with affiliate marketing, please just send me a message. There's my email address in the description of this video, or comment below or reach out to me on Facebook. I really am available and I'm always happy to answer questions. If you want to check out Zach's course, if you want some free training from him, just click the link officialsophiebyte.com and you will get some free training and you'll get a bit of a feel for Zach's style. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like if you did. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.